Have you ever heard of a BlueDriver or used a HandyBar? In this video, we will look at the best car gadgets you'll want in 2023. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Strip lights. These days, interior LED lights seem to be all the rage, and this kit is among the best options available on Amazon. You can access up to 16 million different colors through the app, and you can even use the music mode, where the colors pulse to the beat of your music. All you need to do is attach with adhesive strips, plug into a 12V outlet, and you're ready to go. These car lights cover 16 million colors and tones for selection and make your car personality. At the same time, it has a variety of scene modes for you to choose, allowing you to enjoy rainbow-like lighting effects. Interior lights will sync to music on your phone or any sound captured from the microphone. Then the interior lights will change their colors following the music rhythm. Number 2. BlueDriver. You can get a full vehicle repair solution with the BlueDriver sensor in combination with the free BlueDriver with enhanced diagnostics. You get everything. All of the codes that the other guys read and those that they don't are read and cleared by BlueDriver. You need the full picture to comprehend the issue with your car. You can read, comprehend, and clear more codes by scanning more deeply with a modern scan tool that is up to date. They use their most expensive scanning instruments to gain access to information, often only available to expert mechanics. BlueDriver connects with Bluetooth via your phone or tablet to a sensor that plugs into your car's OBD-II port. Get all of the capabilities of an expensive code reader and scan tool without any annoying wires. BlueDriver gives you more ways to scan and fix your vehicle. Number 3. Electric vehicle charger. You can come across some areas that need to be more friendly to electric vehicles when you do pull out this portable EV charger, so you don't have to push your wheels down the road. The intelligent waterproof lightning-resistant smart device automatically adapts to maximum current to keep you safe. You can easily carry it on the road, and you won't even have to worry about finding a charging station when you're out. It also comes with a waterproof carrying bag that's easy to transport and store. It is made of high-quality material. The charger also bears the shock if dropped on the ground. You can set the charger to start charging at the time you want by pressing the delay button. Perfect for overnight charge up and also spending less if charging off peak than at daytime. Number 4. Mirror dash cam. This mirror dash cam has enhanced the resolution to front 2.5 and rear 1080p. There's no need to worry about overcapacity with increased resolution, thanks to the potent QVBR encoding technology. It actually reduces bit rate by like 30 while maintaining image quality in order to reduce glare. The dashcam also employs an ultra-high transparency optical glass mirror focus on the driving recorder. With the smart screen split function, you can observe a dual-lens display simultaneously. With a 2.5D curved screen, the body is more smooth and more suitable for the curvature of the human retina. Its OEM look makes the mirror camera perfectly integrate with the existing mirror. Number 5. Battery Jump Starter. This portable car jumper is getting rave reviews on Amazon from users who call it a must-have for car owners, saying it is simple to use and reliable. It has LED floodlights and USB ports for charging electronics in addition to being made to jumpstart a full-sized car. It features reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, and auto power off. This compact is designed to be safe. You can charge more than just your vehicle with the 2 USB-A ports. Recharge your iPad on a long trip and keep the kids entertained. Number 6. Cup holder lights. With this light, any regular water bottle can be changed into a container of neon green lights. With a battery life of up to 8 hours and the ability to emit one of 7 colors, the discs are recharged using a USB cable. There is a button on the back of the light for you to control light mode and change the light's color. Long press to turn on or down the lights. Press the power button once to select color or change the color. There is a protective film on the front of the light. Please tear out the protective film before using. Number 7. Bluetooth receiver. This inexpensive adapter can completely change the way you listen to music in a car that has an auxiliary jack, but no Bluetooth audio streaming. It only needs to be charged, plugged into the aux port, and paired with your phone. The adapter's built-in microphone allows for phone calls to be made in addition to high-quality audio streaming. The working time of this aux Bluetooth adapter is up to 16 hours when making calls or playing music, and it takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge the device by using a Type-C fast charging cable. In addition, this Bluetooth music adapter can be used while charging, which is very convenient. The portable Bluetooth stereo adapter can be paired with two devices at the same time. Number 8. Clothes Hanger Bar. If you travel frequently or take long road trips, you understand how tough it can be to keep your clothes wrinkle-free and organized. This hanger bar can help you with this. It's a simple but innovative solution that transforms your automobile into a mobile wardrobe, allowing you to hang your clothes neatly without worrying about collapsing or wrinkling. The universal fit of this car clothing hanger bar is one of its best features. It can accommodate up to 50 pounds of stuff, so that you may pack all of your items for your trip without worrying about surpassing the weight restriction. Number 9. Heated car blanket. When it's chilly outside, you don't want to wait for the engine to warm up, so you can turn on the heat. Instead, make use of this electric car blanket. The soft blanket heats up almost immediately after being plugged into your car's 12-volt outlet, giving you comfortable warmth. This lightweight vehicle blanket has a small wire that radiates excellent and cozy heat. The blanket is simply foldable, allowing for compact storage in the backseat or trunk of your car. Number 10. 2x Faster Air Compressor. This handheld device is a lifeline when the dreaded low tire pressure signals illuminate or your tire goes completely flat. Its powerful compressor can replace a car tire in as little as 6 minutes, and the large clear display makes it easy to observe the PSI level. This tire inflator includes a high-performance microprocessor that inflates tires swiftly and provides 32 liters per minute of airflow. It takes under 1 minute to top off a 26.3-inch EV and passenger tires. Number 11. Windshield Cleaning Tool. This microfiber washer wand will assist you in performing cleaning miracles, although the scrubber is robust on filth, grime, and insects that you want off your windscreen. It's gentle on surfaces. The removable handle can be divided in half for storage, along with 2 pads, a washcloth, and a 30-milliliter spray bottle. This windscreen cleaning tool's handle has a comfortable fabric cover to assure your comfort while cleaning the windows. It can be adjusted in length to make the cleaning easier with retractable handle. The bottom of the windows or other difficult-to-reach spots is incredibly simple. Number 12. Standard HandyBar. This grab bar will be handy for people recovering from an injury or elderly people who need assistance getting out of the automobile. It's simple to use. Simply insert it into a door latch. It can support up to 350 pounds and include a comfortable grip handle for easy and safe operation when fitted into a U-shaped door striker or latch. The HandyBar offers users stability and balance when standing or sitting from the automobile, suitable with most vehicles. The assistance of a carer avoiding back discomfort from lifting and skin tears from trying to pull. Number 13. 4-in-1 Vacuum. This one you probably should just buy because of the acronym for the name alone. This is both a vacuum and a tire inflator in one portable machine. The digital tire pressure LCD display is simple for you to read and has a built-in LED work light that illuminates the area around you. It automatically stops when the present pressure is reached. As a vacuum, it adopts a HEPA filter, which is washable and durable. No need to replace often. You also get one bonus HEPA. Clean and dry the filter every time to enhance the powerful suction for the next use. The detachable dust cup is great for quick and easy trash dumping. It also comes with 3 different vacuum nozzles to meet all your car cleaning needs. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.